Hello.
How long have you been doing this? 6 years. 2.5 years. And what do you feel about it? No. Sadie's my best.
Sino gusto kaya ako? Hindi ako follow.
Celebrating with a cousin of mine. But she seems to be unable to swallow or speak. She has a fever, she's confused. She has some degree of paralysis and delirious. These are all various symptoms. But I'm okay. I've never seen it humans before, but I know it. It just looks like it's still like this. Tears, saliva. Tears, saliva. They have what she has, but here's the thing. Rabies takes months
Working
for symptoms. This is taking minutes. Rabies, it never acts this fast. How does it spread? It's just through bites, right? No, basically it's passed
Ito ka.
by blood, saliva, anything is moving. So if you get the blood on you,
Bahala ka.
you're okay. If you get the blood on you and it gets into a cut, into your mouth, into your eyes, then you're not okay. That's a cure. No, there's no cure. People get shots in their stomach, don't they? I've heard about that. That's before symptoms start showing. Once symptoms show, rabies will come to something. Shit. Shit. Where you going? Where are you going? I'm going up to my apartment. What?
Nainom ba?
Going upstairs. No, I'm sorry, so you can't. Why? Come down. Why? What do you mean, why?
Wala po.
This all night, okay? This all night? You know, it's not safe. Yeah. Trauma, it's really safe down. Trauma.
Lugog ba? Ito, tabako. Mas na.
Finished?
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Now, you know what? I have a God-given right to protect myself and my safety.
Okay lang.
My apartment. Shit out of me.
Ito yung lugog na ito man. Kuan mo?
Right next to our apartment.
Ulam ba? may punya ako na ipak. May namaak. Buong ipa ako sa labas. Kasaw. 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 Ang sunod. Ay, may cream. Leo fan. Thank you. Idol, good morning. Good morning. Good morning ulit. Mas duso na. Good morning po. I want to see your arm. Grabe po. Ang bahay. Sa mga kadiyan. Nice. Thank you. Wala akong WhatsApp. Thank you. WhatsApp please. Para sa iyo. WhatsApp. A big smile for me. Tawan na lang. I don't need to know my image and prepare yourself. Thank you. Thank you, Bal. Salamat ba?
So once they check it out, make sure everything's okay. You're able to get out of here.
I love your tips.
Somebody said anything about
Your ears, kids. Thank you, Yunus. Thank you for your love. For your love me. You under us at home. Ganun ba yun? Really? Already.
Yes, yes, yes. Really be, please.
Thank you.
Fourth floor, unit A. Who's up there? She's dead. Okay. 4B. Expansion B. Here. Person C. It's C. You too? We can't be able to understand.
Thank you.
That might be a problem. And your father's upstairs? Sick. He's a paralytic.
I don't play first before you sleep. Always. Always.
That's, who lives in the
Nice words.
man from Boston?
Thank you.
But, if her father's upstairs, should we be? No.
Always love. Always give love with you all. Always give love with you all. I am a huge fan of yours. Thank you.
Can we finish? Thank you.
Thank you so much
She's deceased.
for watching me always. Love you. See your other. Yeah. Right. Next time. Next time. Yeah.
CDC incredible security measures in place. We've seen no idea what's happening. The level of precaution that we're taking is very serious.
Greatest hairstyle. Thank you. Thumbs up while you guys see. Love you too. You in underarms, okay? I love you. Your host. Why? Your smile. Thank you. Thank you. Your hands. Kalaig daw hands. Gusto ko niya po hands. Itong 8. Kasi may nagustuhan akong kamot. Where you live in Dubai? Philippines. 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 Wait. Pilipinas. Privately. These are things. Sige. I sending visit visa from to Dubai. Thank you. Oh. Ayong gabi, ya, Sir Idol. Maayong gabi po. Buntag naman. Buntag na. Magpaalok siya, maka-idol. Tima na. Tapos na. Nag-practice ng drawing. Idol, don't change your good attitude. Always idol. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I have my company if you want to work. Where? Sid Umar, where? Where your company? So far. So far. So far. Pagtawa mo na. Sobrang layo nun. English yun. Hindi ako makalahutay. Hindi ako makalahutay. English hindi man. Okay, I'm done. I have. Wala, mali. Okay, no problem. I am sending visa. Okay.
Okay.
Yan yung sinulat ko. I love you all. Love you all. I love you all. Thank you, Adam. Love you too. Mag-drawing ko kabaw. Mag-drawing ko kabaw. I-drawing ko yung kalabaw. I-drawing ko yung kalabaw. Hindi ako marunong. May ganito ba? Kabaw. Nag-drawing kong kabaw. Bati akong drawing kabaw. Nandito yung gabat na ilo. Nag-drawing kong kabaw. Dahil kayo pagka-drawing. tayo na kapag doon sa kabaw. Nalibang ang kabaw. May kabaw na. Yung manok na siguro na akong drawing. Anong hayop to, mga idol? Anong hayop to? Drawing to. Anong hayop to? What kind of animal is this? Sunod yun. Anong hayop yan? Langgam. I'm not mistaken, horse. You're right, my friend. Sabaw na. Tapi ano, hindi mo ka madrawing. Matulog na ko. Bakit ba ang bidrawing? Ano to? Nag-ring-ring bata. Where you living? Device, mobile numbers. Please, settings. Hidden. You want to work. Look for one. Look for one. Sheila Marie. Oo. Tubo ba? Idol, pagbigyan mo naman ang lain na sayaw. Sige mo uwan. Sayaw. Sebentar kita mahal kahag sige Anong klaseng hug? Sige lang, sige. Sige lang, sige. No problems. Hello. Hello. Chloe. Hi. Chloe, hi. Hey Chloe, hi. Sino ka? Sino pa dyan? Sino pa? Okay, tulog na ta, tulog na. 30 minutes na, 30 minutes. Wala na. No, tulog na, tulog. Good night, Ram. Good night. Good night. Sige. Thank you. Thank you. Ano? Darbits. Saya. Hi. Hi. Hello. Sunod magsasayaw ako. Sunod na live. Pagbigyan ko yung mga kahilingan nyo. Makahilingan nyo pagbigyan. Ito. Gusto mo lang yan. Okay na, okay na. Okay na. Okay na yun. Okay, smile lang ta. May istorya. You will be my friend. Hi friend, very nice. Please hold send your mobile number. I'm from Bangladesh. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Mga taga-ibang bansa na lang nagkaroon ng mga mata. I will be happy. Why? Why man? Why man gid? Why man gid ya?
So GC Rocks is now Fujifilm Business Innovation.
Why man gid ya? Nanghiwi man. Pabuwak-buwak man. Pabuwak-buwak. May pabuwak-buwak man ba? Oh. What's up? Typing please. What's up guys? Gusto niyo ba ng kapuyatan? Nandito lang ako. Magpuya tayo hanggang sa malubat. Oh yay. Ano yun? Ano yung oh yay? Oy. Di ka maintindihan nila host. Please enter your mobile number. Bakit? Bisayang QTD. Shout out. Darby Kasayar. Shout out. Shout out mga bro. 1, 2, 3. Mobile number. Sila talagang salakam. Bisayang QTV. All we can do. Pasaw na ako ulit sa ugaman. Uy, means love you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bakit? Bakit ba ikaw walang Pinoy, puro mga ibang lahi. Nga eh. Mga ibang country. So muna may pa-heart-heart naman ang one emoji dia. May pa-heart-heart. Itulog mo na host. Bakit? Maya, tulong na ako. Don't forget, idol, please add thanks. Diba, gulaman. Gulaman, mag-message ka na lang. Mag-message ka na lang. All my details is ano ba sa English, sa my channel ko, kulaina. Ambot sa about ba, mahirap na. Sige tayo ko smile na tao na ako ngayon ba ako nagkuha na. Okay. May nabatian ba mo? Oo. Ako lang nakabati. Hindi na po yung masukudan na may makitingin. Shout out sa inyo, mga minamahal, taga-subaybay, mga taga-pakinig. Kanang kamay, I love you daw. Thank you. Please talk you English. Okay. I am talking English. Oh yay. Oh yay. Oh yay, oh yay. Isa ka talaga.